Hello, I'm Dr. Azrin Arifin. I'm Professor of Optometry and Dean of the Faculty of Optometry and Vision Sciences at Segi University. So when you decide to have contact lenses, the first thing to do is to have your eyes examined by an optometrist or an eye surgeon and get the level of vision corrected by the practitioner, and even ask for contact lenses to be fitted, or if the practitioner feels that you need contact lenses as a device which is better than your spectacles, then he or she will suggest it. When the fitting has been done, a prescription will then be issued and lenses will be ordered. When the lenses have been ordered, you'll be given a date when they'll be received, and there is what we call the dispensing visit. Now, it is important at the dispensing visit that the practitioner explains to you as the patient of how to put the lenses on your eye and how to get them out of the eye, and most importantly, how to care for them when you don't wear these lenses. Now, there are special solutions that are involved, and you need to be able to know these solutions well, and you need to be able to know where to get them. Once the lenses have been dispensed, the patient will then be told about what solutions to use and how to care for the lenses. And what's most important after that is for the patient to come back for the post-fitting care. It's called aftercare. And that's when any signs of problems with the wear of the contact lenses, either physiologically or pathologically, will be determined by the practitioner. Make sure that every time you come back for a fitting visit, a proper examination is carried out and not just a high and by kind of thing. It's important that your eyes get looked at under the equipment, and it's called a slit lamp, and the eyes are being examined professionally, and the practitioner should be able to tell you that, look, you've been doing the right thing and this is how you should keep on doing in order to wear these lenses safely, comfortably, and your vision will be as good as you want them to be. Ladies, please remember that a contact lens makes you look good, but there are still foreign bodies that sit on the eye. Look after them well in order to look after your eyes well. Thank you very much.